To make these super tasty muffins, all you need is 1 cup chopped semi-sweet chocolate, a third cup unsweetened butter chopped, 2.5 cups self-rising flour, 2/3 of a cup all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup unsweetened cocoa, 1/4 cup of sugar, 2 eggs, 1 cup milk, 1 tablespoon finely grated orange rind. For the topping you need 1 cup and a third chopped semi-sweet chocolate, 1/4 cup unsalted butter chopped, shreds of orange rind. Place the chocolate and butter in the top of a double boiler over barely simmering water. Stir occasionally until the butter and chocolate are melted. Remove from the heat. Sift the flours and the cocoa powder into a large mixing bowl. Stir in the sugar. Mix, then make a well in the center. Whisk the eggs, milk, and orange rind together. Then pour it into the well. Add the chocolate mixture. Mix with a metal spoon until just combined. Just like this. And do not overmix it. The mixture should be lumpy. Preheat the oven to 425 Fahrenheit or this much in Celsius. Then brush a standard muffin pan with melted butter. Spoon the mixture into the muffin pan, filling each cup about 3/4 full, and bake it for 20 minutes. Let it cool down, then transfer it to a wire rack. Then melt the chocolate and butter just like shown before. And finally enjoy your super tasty muffins.